and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Mareșal tank. So first of all, let's take your clippers, clip away the things. All right, so there's that part of the tank. That part of the tank, all of that is good. Now we just need to take this gun here and clip this support plastic from underneath here. So you can see how I'm doing that. Just clip away that stuff. Now you're not done. You need to clip like that. And then just make sure that's all good. Next, you can just clip that. Doesn't have to be perfect because no one will see. Now, for these side skirt type pieces, just clip away these. And you're done. The clipping process for the video is complete. So it's good to fit these pieces together just to confirm if everything's going well. So the way it fits together is you glue this piece on like that. Essentially, that piece will go like that. So the first step, of course, just get your, whoa, that was a other glue, but I'm just taking some of that glue that was put on too much. There, that's good. Take this piece, just slide it in there. Make sure it's going in the center. And then just put some glue like that. Well, that glue is going to be pointless, but you can, I'll scrape it like that. There, that should be good. Put the piece like that. And then just put a little glue there, little glue like that. And then just slide this piece in like that. Carefully get that in a nice position there. That's in a good position. So after letting this piece dry there for a bit, you can take the tracks and put the tracks on. The gear part of the tracks go facing forward, so this track will be on this side of the tank, going like that. And then just take these axles to make sure that they're going in the center of that, of the tracks. Now we can do the other side. Sure, just going in the center. Of course, you can test the tracks, making sure that they're going on the surface of the table just fine. And next, put a bunch of glue there. This is where the gun will be glued on. Just make sure that it goes and stays. Some really quick bonding glue might be useful in this particular spot. Once you have that in a good position, that's probably good. Now with these side skirt things, I'm assuming that they're optional. Go ahead and put it on like that. And then of course the other side. Done with the glue. Now let's just put on this last piece carefully. Side skirt. Alright, so that is the Mareșal from Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you so much for watching this assembly video. It's available at miniaturetanks.com.